welcome to another episode. Today we're starting a new painting. If this is your first time, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff on there available to help support me. And now that that's out of the way, let's just get into this painting. Today we are going to be partnering with a local nonprofit organization called Chicken Nugget and Gang, and I am going to be doing a couple of paintings up for them. The only one I'm going to be recording for you is the painting of this bearded dragon. This bearded dragon's name is Cera, just like from The Land Before Time, and this painting is just going to be fantastic. You know, I love my colors like this. So the first thing I wanted to do was get down a nice cool underpainting, so I just got out some slow dry gel medium and mixed in some cobalt blue, and this will give us our nice base coat. And I will spread that around real evenly and then use some paper towels to try and wipe off where the shadow dark parts on the reference image are, and then from there I will get some color laid in there. And this palette is real simple right now. It's just going to be some Mars black, titanium white, yellow ochre, some burnt sienna, and just a little bit of raw umber just to get that brown tone in there. And we'll just go to town getting that color laid in there, and then I will add some cadmium yellow on some parts just to get that real vibrant yellow color out. And I tell you what, this painting is going to end up looking fantastic. locked in, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in a little more detail on this gravel. I want to get this background done first before I start laying in the reptile right on top. And I did not get enough purple tone in these rocks just yet, but I'm okay with that. I'm gonna go through and just really hit a lot of these smaller stones in our next video, and I think this background is really gonna come out looking good. For this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have ended up with something relatively close to this. This baby is turning out good already. The colors on here are going to be vibrant, and I really hope this helps Chicken Nugget and gang raise a lot of funds. Remember, if this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share the video, and take a visit to my website, and I'll see you in the next episode.